What if I told you there's an SUV that can climb mountains, tow your boat, and still carry your whole family in comfort, but hardly anyone talks about it? This is the Mitsubishi Pajero Sport, the off-road warrior the world seems to have forgotten. In a world full of soft, shiny crossovers built for coffee runs instead of mud trails, the Pajero Sport stands apart. It doesn't follow the trend, it defines it. Born from the same DNA as the legendary Mitsubishi Pajero, the SUV that conquered the brutal Dakar Rally, this machine keeps the spirit of real adventure alive. The Pajero Sport isn't here to impress, it's here to perform. Just one look, and you know this thing means business. That bold, dynamic shield grille, tall stance, and wide body make it look ready for battle. It's roughly 190 inches long with nearly 9 inches of ground clearance. This SUV doesn't try to be sleek or elegant. It's aggressive, it's confident, it's built to go where the road ends. Under the hood, a 2.4-liter MVEC turbo diesel engine. You're getting around 181 horsepower and 430 newton-meters of torque. It's paired with an 8-speed automatic and Mitsubishi's legendary Super Select 4WD2 system. Sand, gravel, snow, mud, whatever you throw at it, the Pajero Sport doesn't just survive, it thrives. And towing? Yeah, it'll pull over 3 tons like it's nothing. Think of it as the love child between a rally truck and a family SUV. Step inside, and you'll be surprised. You get a flexible 7-seat layout, solid build quality, and an upgraded digital display. It supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and feels more expedition-ready than mall SUV. It's rugged, practical, and comfortable, a perfect mix for weekend warriors or long-distance families. This cabin isn't trying to pamper you, it's trying to keep up with you. Now, Mitsubishi didn't forget the modern side either. You've got adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and multiple off-road drive modes. It's modern tech that actually helps, not just tech for the sake of it. And thanks to that strong ladder frame chassis, you get that old-school toughness most SUVs have lost today. On the highway it feels planted and strong. Sure, you'll hear a little diesel growl, that's part of the charm, but take it off-road and it transforms. The Pajero Sport climbs, grips, and conquers like a true 4x4. It's not pretending to be rugged, it is rugged. If adventure had a sound, it would be the rumble of this diesel engine heading into the wild. So why don't we see more of these in the US? Because today's SUV buyers care more about chrome, screens, and cup holders, not ground clearance and torque. But that's exactly why the Pajero Sport stands out. It's honest, it's capable, it's tough. Maybe we've just forgotten what real SUVs are supposed to feel like. So if you're tired of pretend SUVs and you want something real, something that'll take you off the map and back again, the Mitsubishi Pajero Sport deserves a spot on your list. Because sometimes the strongest SUVs aren't the loudest. They're the ones quietly waiting to show you what they can do when the pavement ends.